Sometimes we put our heart into something, we give it our time, our effort, and still it doesn't turn out the way we imagined. This piece, I worked on it with so much love and hope. Every stitch, every thread, I thought it would become something beautiful. But when it was done, I looked at it and I knew this is not what I wanted. And that feeling, it's not easy to accept because we don't just see the result. We see the time we invested, the energy we gave, the expectations we built around it. So we hesitate. Maybe it's okay, maybe I should keep it like this. But deep inside, we know the truth. Not every choice we make is right. Not every start leads to the right ending. And that's okay, because sometimes the bravest thing you can do is to undo your own work. To take a step back, to cut the threads, to let go of something you created, just to make space for something better. It's not failure, it's awareness, it's growth, it's understanding that we deserve better results, better outcomes, and sometimes a better version of what we have started. Starting again doesn't mean you lost, it means you learned. It means you saw what didn't work and choose not to settle for it. And that takes courage. So, if you ever feel like something isn't right, if something you made or choose doesn't feel like you, don't be afraid to restart. Don't be afraid to rebuild. Don't be afraid to say, I can do better than this. Because every time you start again, you don't begin from zero. You begin with experience, with lessons, with clarity. And that's it. And that is what makes the next result even more beautiful. So today I'm letting this go. I'm letting this go not because I failed, but because I believe I can create something better. And this time I'm having this hope. I'm hoping and I have this courage that I will. And you can also.